Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day that I am so excited about because I get to share with you guys my current add-on selections for the FabFitFun Summer 2025 box. If you want to check out everything I have my eye on for the add-on sale, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos, and please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so I don't need to go through my whole FabFitFun spiel. If you know me at all or have seen my videos before, I love FabFitFun. This video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. None of these items that I'm going to talk about have ever been gifted to me. I am just a loyal subscriber for many years now, and I purchase all these items on my own. So hopefully in that way I can provide you a little bit of an unbiased review and my true thoughts on these products and the service. If you want to check out FabFitFun for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box down below because you will save a little bit of money. So let's just go ahead and dive into this. So if you're watching this video, you probably already are a FabFitFun lover, just like I am. And I love communicating and interacting with you guys. This is just a really fun little community to talk about these products that we get offered every season. So I will say that this season's add-ons did not disappoint, at least for me. I found several items that are currently in my cart. As usual, I'm probably going to wade through them a little bit and add a few others, but right now, this is what I have my eye on, so I just wanted to share with you guys. So as usual, I'm going to scooch over here so I can put up some pictures of the items that I have here, and I'll tell you about them. But again, I have a few that are really solid picks, I think. So for add-ons this season, I decided to start off with this Kitsch Satin Scrunchie set. It's a 5-piece set, and it retails surprisingly for only $8, which is kind of low to me, but it's being offered for $5, which I think is a pretty good deal. Of course, this reminds me a little bit of the slip scrunchies. It's probably not going to be as good quality, obviously, based on the price point. But I love the colorway here, so I'm almost for sure going to pick this up. I love wearing these type of satin or silk scrunchies. They're supposed to be better for your hair, obviously, so I'm going to pick up this set. I think it looks gorgeous. All right, next up I have here an item from Base, and I will take a quick moment to tell you about Base. I have not posted these videos yet, but I recently picked up a whole set of Base luggage. I'm a little bit late to the game, I realize that, but you know, it finally got to me. I just love the aesthetic of these pieces, and they're very functional as well, which I will share with you guys in those videos. But I have been loving them so far. I've used my Base luggage a couple of trips so far, and I just love it. Mostly just how it looks, just going through the airport, and just a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing little set. But also they're really functional as well. So I don't have this particular item, so I think I may consider checking it out. I know a lot of you out there also use Base luggage, so please let me know what you think if you have this particular piece and if it works for you and if you think I should go for it. But right now they're offering a lot of different Base pieces, and I was really excited to see that because I love when they partner with new brands. They offered the Weekender and the Mini Weekender, and I own those already, so those were excellent. They offered, I think, maybe the sling bag I think I saw, and one of the totes. So a lot of good choices that they offered through this season's add-ons. And this, I will say, I think it's the first time, at least I've noticed them partnering with Base. So I was really excited to see that. But anyway, on to what I have in my cart. This is the Base Cosmetics case in the color gray. It's about 28% off, which isn't a huge savings, honestly, but I don't know. I just have my eye on this. I think it looks really functional. There's a place to put your makeup brushes. I think it looks like it even comes with a little mirror that's removable. I just like how it is really sleek in terms of the lines. I do wish they offer more colors, though. I'm personally not a huge fan of gray, to be totally honest. If it came in black, pink, or actually the cream beige color that I have my current luggage set in, I would be all over it. Gray, not my favorite, but I think it only came in this color, at least for this offering. So right now I have it in my cart, and I think about if I'm actually going to go ahead and purchase it, but right now I definitely have my eye on that one. Next up, I always usually pick up some type of nail polish in these sales because I've said this many times before, but I really love the nail products that are offered through FabFitFun. I think the price points are excellent. And the quality is also really good as well, especially the London Town nail polishes I really particularly love. So here's an example of that. This set is a trio and it's called the Hotel California Collection. But it has this beautiful palette here of kind of a mauvey pink, this like iridescent like black blue color, which is really pretty. And then this kind of greenish gray color, which I thought was pretty unique. So this was offered for a really good deal, as you can see here, for $8.99. So it's really hard to pass that up. So I'm definitely gonna pick this up. I recommend London Town nail polishes for sure, especially when you're considering their price points. All right, so another add-on from London Town is this. I already own this. It's the High Gloss Top Coat, but I wanted to restock because I love wearing top coats. I think that's really the secret to keeping your nails looking the best they can for the longest. It's to use a really good quality top coat, in my opinion. And this one is pretty good, so I decided to restock this. So that's currently in my cart as well. Along with the nail theme, every season, as you probably know if you watch these videos from me, I tend to pick up another set of these nail stickers. They offer them almost every season. And this season, I mean, I don't know if you can tell in the picture, but these are so adorable. They have hearts, they have, looks like little strawberries, but what got me are these little bows. There's little bow stickers that you can put on your nail, and it looks like there's cherries. It's just super cute, and I think my daughters are just gonna love this. They love the nail stickers. But this one is just so girly and so pretty, so I'm gonna for sure be picking this one up. This particular Deco Beauty nail stickers are super convenient. You don't have to do anything special. They really truly are just stickers. So you peel the sticker off, put it on your nail, and then apply a top coat over to seal it in. And there you go. And they hold up very, very well. So highly recommend the Deco Beauty and nail art stickers. Next up is another repurchase. So I picked this up in a previous FabFitFun box and I've been really liking it, especially as the weather is warming up. It's the Vacation Super Spritz SPF Face Mist. So this is perfect for just misting throughout the day because I always wear SPF every day under my makeup. But during the day, you honestly really do need to reapply frequently. This one is perfect because I feel like I'm getting coverage. It also smells really nice. And it's a really fine mist spray, so it's comfortable on. I recently did take another Disney cruise. We go on a lot of those, but we just got back from one to the Caribbean and Disney World, and I just use this all the time. My kids fought over it because it's so much more convenient than putting on typical sunscreen when you have to reapply during the day. So highly recommend this. I'm going to be restocking this for sure. And then I picked up a Julep eyeliner pencil. It's the When Pencil Met Gel All Day Eyeliner. I've used these Julep eyeliners before. I think it's different packaging, but I did use it before and I really like them. So when I saw this being offered in black, I had to pick it up. I don't know where they sell Julep anymore. I used to see it more often other places, but I really haven't seen this line offered too many other places currently. So I was excited to see this good old favorite, so I decided to give this a try again. And then I think I just have one final item, and this one you guys have to help me. Should I get it or should I not? A lot of why I put these videos together is because I get a lot of feedback that's super helpful from all of you. So I really want to hear what you think about it. But currently I have this sweater in my cart from Beach Riot. So I know that FabFitFun has had a long time relationship with Beach Riot. Beach Riot products are usually pretty pricey in my opinion, but they're offered for pretty decent deals on FabFitFun. And I think the quality is really good. I really like the style. So that's where the sweater is from. It's called the Cali sweater. And it just looks like a simple, basic sweater. It kind of looks like a little bit of a waffle knit, and I really love a waffle knit style. So it's in jump sizing, so I decided to get the small, medium here, but I thought the value was pretty good. And some of the reviews say that it's like the softest sweater. So I'm excited. I love these just neutral, basic sweaters. I don't think it looks too thick, so I think it'll be nice in, transitional seasons as well. And really nice when it's summertime and you go inside and need a little bit of something to cover up if there's air conditioning, but you don't want to carry around a thick, bulky sweatshirt with you. I think something like this to throw in your bag is just perfect, so that's probably how I'm going to use it. But I don't know, just something about it, even though it's a basic sweater, it just totally appealed to me. So it is currently in my cart as well. And then I will say that I also am going to be getting, as part of the add-ons, a subscription that I started last season, and that's for the LMS Pro Marine Cream, the nighttime cream. I'll talk more about that when I do my unboxings. I can show you guys what it looks like. But that cream, I really highly recommend. I have the night cream version, and it's a little thicker than the classic marine cream that I use during the day. But I have that on subscription, so I should be getting that in my box as well. So I'm super excited to share with you guys when I get that too. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Short and sweet, but those were the items that I currently have in my add-ons cart. As usual, comment down below. Let me know what you think about these picks, but maybe more importantly, at least for me, let me know what items you think that I should be adding during the add-on sale. I always try not to go too crazy with the add-ons, but there's a lot of really fun items here. I particularly love the nail care. I also love sunglasses, so there's some good offerings too. So just super excited to kind of weed through the picks as we go forward in the open add-on season. As usual, I will be having a follow-up video to this where I will share with you guys my full Customize With Me video for the seasonal box. Honestly, spoiler alert, I do think this season is one of the more exciting ones that we had in a long time, so I'm really excited to share with you guys my thoughts and my picks on those, so definitely stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my future videos and FabFitFun content. Thanks so much for watching this one. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.